और आइए अब सीधे आपको मुंबई लिए चलते हैं, जहां बीसीसीआई का एक संवाददाता सम्मेलन चल रहा है।
Chalu Guru. I think it's a great thing, to be honest. We all were looking forward to it because, very honestly, we felt like there were a few series in between where, after such big tours, we felt like maybe a one-off test or a couple of tests were not apt for the moment. But I think this gives a lot of context to all kinds of cricket that we're going to play, and it's a great thing for Test cricket at this moment also, because we've been talking about for the last 2-3 years, regardless of how we have played as a team and the interest of the fans building because of that, going for results and all that sort of stuff. Test cricket really needed a boost. So the players were always putting in the effort, but I think from a global point of view, it was important to have an incentive attached to Test cricket in a way which the Test Championship presents. And I think for all the cricketers involved now, even more, every session, every game that you play will be more intense. There'll be more on the line, so it'll be challenging, but it'll be all the more exciting. And all the teams, I'm sure, are going to enjoy a lot through this whole journey of the Test Championship.
T20s which are coming up, and also the ODIs. What's the focus going to be in the T20s, two T20s and the ODIs? You just spoke about the tests.
Well, West Indies obviously is a great place to go and play cricket. It's a relaxed place. We've all enjoyed playing cricket there. The T20s, as you've seen the squads, when I met the selectors, the basic message from them was to try out a few players that they had in mind. And I think it's a very exciting opportunity for all the guys who are stepping in for the first time. The ODI side is more or less, balanced. We've been doing really well. The test side, it's needless to say the kind of performances we have put in. So I'm particularly excited about the first three T20s, because, as I said, lot of players coming in. Some players who've done really well in the format and shown great composure under pressure in tournaments like the IPL and domestically as well. So yeah, it's a great marker, I think, for all those guys, and for us as a team as well, to have them in the squad. Sorry?
Especially from the limited over series.
Was I tempted to take a break?
Right. And the other part is, was your decision to play the limited overs, like how much was it to do with the fact that the World T20 is just around the corner of 50 odd months, and India is playing an unprecedented 20 T20s in the next 6 months? How much?
See, our rest period is put on record. It's all on email to the board. It's done by the trainer and the physio together. So I don't know what report they have created. I honestly haven't seen it. They hadn't had any conversations with the players till that point of time. So in my mind, until the time the trainer and physio tell me now you need to rest and recover because your progress is such and such, because we collect all data from all games, and for some players the workload is more than the others. I averaged about 15 kilometers a game in the World Cup. So it really depends on those two professionals. Everyone's doing a job, everyone's been assigned a responsibility. So I don't know the communication that was sent out to the selectors, because nothing was communicated to me in terms of rest. Yes, from the point of view of us not making it through to the finals of the World Cup and bowing out, I think it's an important time for the team to regroup and come together as a side. As you said, there's a T20 World Cup next year. There's always something to look forward to. I know we've all were very disappointed with not going through to the finals and probably winning the World Cup, but you have to move on and you have to accept defeat as well and move forward and look forward to new things. So as I said, new players coming in, it's an opportunity for them to establish their skill sets. For me as a captain to have new players in the side, get them together. I think it's international cricket always presents you with opportunities and challenges which I always look forward to.
भारतीय क्रिकेट कप्तान विराट कोहली एक संवाददाता सम्मेलन को संबोधित करते हुए इसके बाद टीम इंडिया वेस्ट इंडीज के लिए रवाना